Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create an email template in Brevo. So first log into your Brevo account, head over to the left sidebar, click on Campaigns. Now select Email Campaign, so type in your email campaign, choose Regular here, campaign name, Campaign 1 for example, click on Create Campaign. So here just add the sender email, which is you, add the recipient's email, add emails of the people you want to receive this campaign. The subject of your campaign. I'll put your subject here. The preview text of your email campaign, the design, and click on Start Designing. So you have to option either to create from scratch or either campaign emails. You see, you click on Basic Templates, and you can choose ready-to-use templates here. For example, choose one of these if you want for your email campaign, or click here on Create from Scratch. We're going to head over to Create from Scratch and choose Drag and Drop Editor. This is the easiest way, so you can add the text here, add a button, so this is your campaign template page. Add the elements you need for your email campaign here. So video, etc., product navigation. And that's it, guys. This is how to create a campaign template for emails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.